Hi, this is Joe Emmatty back with this week's video. This time around, I'm in Bangalore and in front of this amazing Bangalore Palace in Vasant Nagar. Also, I'll be adding many more such videos in future, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you do like the video, please don't forget to click on the like button as well, as it's very encouraging. So without further ado, let's get started on this amazing journey. Actually, it began when I knew I was going to Bangalore for my cousin's wedding, and the explorer in me needed to know the top 10 places to go nearby. Pictures of this amazing palace online, that is, the pictures of the huge walls and the green creepers on the palace. I was like, I need to go to this place, and believe me, it was worth it. It was an unreal experience. When you get there, along with this amazing view of the palace, there is also this very educational and guided tour of the entire place, which gives you all the details of all the monuments and the paintings in it. And if you are into art and history, definitely do listen to these audios when you approach each of these monuments, as it's very interesting. And if you do pay a little extra, they allow you to carry your mobiles and cameras. Also, it is extremely well kept and well maintained. Actually, I was here for my cousin's wedding, which went amazingly well. Congrats Rinit and Akshay. But luckily, I came here 2 days ahead and explored the entire palace. And yes, it is as beautiful as you see in these videos on GoPro. I have tried to capture the entire palace in various angles, and if you stay till the end, you are in for a surprise. Also, I would like to give a shout out and thanks to Grata Francis who helped me to edit this video. And if you do come to Bangalore, you do not want to skip this palace. The second half has the Botanical Garden and the Mantralaya, all on GoPro at the safety of your house. So stay tuned till the end.